In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Airbnb mobile app. First of all, launch open Airbnb application. You can see over here Airbnb application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can either log in with your phone number or you can also continue with email, Facebook, Google or Apple. Tap on the option of your choice. Here, I'm just going to tap on this option continue with email. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter the email address over here. Tap on the field of email address and provide the email address over here. Now tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password for yourself. Simply enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password, reset the password and enter it over here. Now after you enter the password, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Airbnb mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.